He was seen as a rake like 2x4, ugliest and born premature. Mother had trouble trying to take to a kid that looked like a garden rake. Sons, Dad wasn't proud, didn't make him feel like one of the crowd. Wood-cutting boys from up in the sticks laughed at the sight of Earle. He was treated like scum and he felt like dirt, couldn't lift the chainsaw, make it work. Father often said that he didn't have a clue. Mother didn't feed him and he hardly grew. I'm hungry. So Earle disappeared for 15 years. Father didn't miss him and his mother didn't care. After a while they forgot about Earle and his girlfriend said, "Who cares?" Stun, Earle. Stun, Earle. Stun, Earle. In this little town, life went on the same till one hot July, and no rain came. Great big fires set the country ablaze, and everyone cutting fire breaks. They saw it, but they couldn't outrun the smoky fumes and the fiery tongues. They were losing fast, it was looking bad. Who would save their town? Save me! Save me! Nobody knew, either foe nor friend, that Earle had grown to 7'10". Arms like culverts, legs like trees, fists like hammers, and hairy knees. Shave me! Shave me! Far off in the woods, above the din and the roar, came a sound nobody had heard before. Trees were falling like a tidal wave to a monster Johnson chainsaw. Chainsaw Earle. Chainsaw Earle. Chainsaw Earle. His cutter bar was 10'2", turned the air all purple and blue. Tasmanian devil in 20 minutes flat made a landscape look just like Iraq, where the trees all limbed and the firebreak made the tones will save from a charcoal grave. People gathered, shouted, and cheered for this forest disposal unit. Lighting up smoke, he said, "Let the chainsaw down." Said, "I am the guy who saved your town." Earle knocked over a drum of gas just as he threw away his match. The gas exploded and the town burned flat, and Earle ran off just like a scalded cat. It's been 15 years, his father said, and he's still as stunned as me arse. Stunned as me arse. Stunned as me arse. Stunned as me arse. Was Earle.